Hey guys, Terry here. It must be my day for learning things because I came across this remove background. So the website is remove.bg, and I had never heard of this, but it's a handy tool. So let me show you. I typed in remove.bg up in the browser and the website opens up, and it says it's 100% automatic and free. And there is a button here that says upload the image. So I'm just going to go out there and pick something. For example, I did this one. There's the original, and within a second or two it shows you it without the background. Now I was expecting it to be upload the image, click on some stuff to figure out what you want the background to be. But again, here was the original that I uploaded, and here's the removed background, and then you can download it. Yeah, so it saves it down to your computer. So I haven't played with all the different different options on here, but that's pretty remarkable. So again, you just go to remove.bg, and then you find your image. It'll have a button there to submit your image, and then it does its magic and it takes the background off of it. So I could just think of a lot of different occasions that you'd want to take that background out of there. If you have Photoshop Elements or Photoshop, there's probably a quick way to do it in Photoshop. I haven't played with it. But just to be able to take this into Photoshop and then do what you want to do with your image. So I'm fascinated by this. So it's called remove.bg. Looks like it's a free tool. It's got pricing on here, so they must offer some different features. Maybe if it's something that you're going to do often with your images, there's probably a good service that it does where it automatically removes the backgrounds. But that's pretty cool that you could just do it one-off with your one image. Just do upload. Maybe we'll pick a different one here. I wonder what it would pick. Here's one of the two puppies. So it's uploading. Oh, look at that. Now, how did it know the two dogs were what I wanted out of that image? So again, I'm just floored. I'm just fascinated with this software. I may just sit here and play with it all afternoon, but I think this is pretty handy. So if you haven't subscribed, this is the type of stuff that I love to explore and find and then share with you. So please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers this year. It would really help me out, and I'll keep the information like this coming. Thanks, guys.